Plants. There are over 270,000 kinds of plants around the world, ranging from single-celled to large, giant trees. Water plants. The very first plants developed in water. They gradually colonized the land as they evolved. Since then, many new plants called aquatic plants have learned to live in water, including flowers like water lily, water hyacinths, and grass-like plants such as reeds, rushes, and papyrus. Plants have flowers to make the seeds and fruits which new plants can grow. Plants can make their own food by absorbing sunlight in a process called photosynthesis. The sun gives the plant energy to change carbon dioxide from the air and hydrogen from water into food. The plant's stems are a vital part of a plant. It is a pipe that takes water from minerals and food up and down between the roots and leaves. Water goes up from the root via tubes called xylem, and food goes down from the leaves in tube called phloem. Plants are usually green because they contain a green substance called chlorophyll. This plays a vital role in photosynthesis. There are plants which has their own unique title, such as the Amazon lily. It is the world's biggest water plant and is located in South America. It's a massive floating leaves growing up to 2 meters across and can even sometimes support the weight of a child. The water hyacinth is the fastest growing water plant. It's so fast that it's considered a pest as it chokes waterways and encourages mosquito breeds. Fun facts about plants. Bamboo is actually a type of grass. Conifers like pines are among the oldest of all plants, appearing 275 million years ago. The biggest leaves belong to the raffia plum tree, which can grow up to 20 meters long. Every tree can be identified by its leaves. The tallest tree in the world is a coastal redwood in Redwood National Park, California, USA, growing up to 111.25 meters.